Hello, good night, teacher. I sent you the essay of presentations to the last class. This is the homework to the last class. And I believe that general information of an economic nature is very important and always supposed to see how difficult it will be for the whole world to recover from an economic crisis, similar to the one experienced after the Second World War. On the one hand, the ecological benefit that the COVID-19 brought with it regarding quarantine, the protection of people and that. This action allowed nature to recover. The sea was observed cleaner, the meadows greener, the sky more blue, and wild animals recovering part of the territory that we have taken from them. Which raises the question of if human beings and their activities are more harmful than beneficial to the environment. Likewise, the worry of my colleague who spoke about smart destinations at a global and national level show us a clear answer to the how tourism should be managed from now on, in addition to the new normal and its accessories: mouth covers, gloves, masks, antibacterial health all over, recording body temperatures, sanitizing all surfaces, to name a few. So, is the use of a technology and prioritizing the benefit of tourists and the tourism in a sustainable way. But what is a sustainable way? Is ensuring the conservation of resources, attractions, and the tourist destination in a social, economic, and environment way for long-term enjoyment and of future generations. On the other hand, it will also be imperative to manage the proper treatment of the waste that is being generated, since in addition to being infectious by COVID-19, we also talk about plastic in the different presentation and forms that are being used for all activities of mandatory to the pandemic. Garbage is a big problem, but it can also be an area of opportunity to manage this type of waste that is recyclable. To conclude, I close with the exquisite dishes presented by my colleagues, who are only the tip of the iceberg that is Mexican gastronomy. And I think they needed to mention that in 2010, Mexican gastronomy was declared intangible cultural heritage of the humanity by the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization by UNESCO. Thanks to this, it was praised that cuisine in Mexico is considered of a crucial element of national identity to the history, creativity, diversity, and the significance. That's all for my part, and this is the homework to the video. Muchas gracias, profe. Ahí le envío el video. Se hizo un poquito largo. Espero que me haya quedado bien. Saludos.